Hey, Touk here from the Gold Coast Suns. Welcome to Aruma. So we go into our guest bedroom. So yeah, it's a really beautiful space. We wanted this kind of spot to be its own sanctuary a bit. So as you can see, we've got the two doors that open up into almost your own private garden, which is really nice, especially in the morning. It gets beautiful morning sunlight. We feel like the materials that we used in the house as well, we got the concrete floors, the dark wooden timber, the brushed copper. It really kind of just ties the house together with that like modern coastal, almost like Gold Coast vibe, which is what we wanted originally. So yeah, we feel like it ties really well together and we've done a really good job, we think. Rolling through the hallway, there's our little one. And then, yeah, so we walk into our living room space. We've got a really cool bookshelf and fireplace as well. And then pretty lucky we get a bar area that hopefully gets used a bit, I reckon, Waltz. And we've got a little wine cellar as well, which is a really cool touch. So that and the bronze mirror, I reckon, is one of my favourite parts of this little space. So this is our kitchen. Obviously a really small kitchen bench, but no, it's really cool. It's probably one of my favourite spots in the whole entire house, so we really love it. Heaps of room to cook. You keep rolling through, come down to our sunken lounge area. This is probably one of the feature things we wanted in the house from the very beginning. So we started our plans like 3 years back and the sunken lounge was a must. So it's kind of a bit like retro vibe, but we think it's kind of make a bit of comeback. So I think it's just kind of point of difference in the house and we love it. So keep rolling down here. We've got in this section, we've got a really beautiful powder room, our laundry, and the cinema room. Big projector, nice comfy seats. But yeah, I'll take you upstairs. So we've got a 4-bedroom house. We've got one over there, study just in behind you. And then we've got the upstairs bathroom. But this is really cool. I feel like if you come through a little bit, one of our favourite features is it's just got the curve through the roof and the mirror. We wanted a point of difference and not to look too bland in here, so we kind of changed it up. I think you kind of call them French doors, I don't know, but like that's what they kind of look like as well. It's really cool. Freestanding bathtub, and yeah, I think it'd be a cool space or best bathroom kids could have. So it's pretty nice. So best part of the house, I think, the master. So if you come with me, we are really lucky. When we started our plans, we wanted our master bedroom to like be massive essentially and be a lot of the house. And I think we kind of got that. Obviously, really nice lighting in here. Kind of a big stool, bench top, we kind of call it. I don't know if you can actually sit on that, but that's okay. And if you roll through here, our master ensuite, which is, I'll be honest, it's got a fair bit of wow factor, I think. We have really nice stone bench top and the skylight in our shower, which started square and turned around, was one of Josh's ideas. It's pretty epic. Yeah, it's a bit of big space in there. And then if you keep following, bathtub, and then we have rolls into our sauna as well, which is a cool little space. And then I think for me, what the wow factor is in this part is probably the walk-in wardrobe. So fair to say there's a lot of space to put our clothes in, but yeah, we're pretty fortunate with that. And yeah, like I said, this is just one of the spaces that we love the most. We can hang out here and you could spend the whole day up here if you needed to. So roll out to our alfresco area, which is pretty epic. We had a few people here the other day and I think they were making good use of the beer tap, which is a kind of a cool touch. The barbecue and our Gosney pizza oven, which is pretty epic. Maddie and I are pretty blessed that we're in our dream home now. There's so many features that we love. We wanted to have a really dark house with lots of curves and then sharp hedges. We wanted a big, beautiful garden that had a lot of colour in it. The dogs could play in and we could spend time in and enjoy having people over and entertaining. And I think we're just really lucky and grateful that Josh put together such a beautiful home for us. So yeah, we're looking forward to many more years here.